Setting up your company profile. Here's your company name, your logo. If you need a logo, go to Inspector Website Builder. Enter your country. United States and Canada will be all over the world. This is the address of your company. If you don't have a website, get one from Inspector Website Builder, but enter your website right there. There's your social media channels. Every post that you do in your report writer can be a social media post very easily with one click. It sets some settings here, but this is the interesting part. You want to enter an address. This is your starting point, and then think about factoring in increasing your fees for the distance that you drive to your first job, in between jobs, coming home, and you can set the default for the company at a certain address, and each inspector can have their starting point as well, so that each inspector can factor in the distance. If you wanted to, it's an option, and that can factor in the fees as well. So you can charge more for long travel, okay? And that's company profile. So go to your company profile and update your company profile.